Welcome to the BCV broadcast, where this is your host, your favorite pastor on the internets, on the YouTube channels. Yes, this is Pastor Saiko Woods. I gotta keep saying pastor to let you know I'm a pastor, because if I don't say pastor, then how would y'all know I was a pastor? Because I ain't got no church, no real church, so except the church of the local youth. Anyways, this video isn't about me, although later I'll talk about me, but this video is about my brother, Corey Minor. And I keep saying brother, but even though I keep saying brother, I apply passages about false teachers to him. You know, I say he's divisive, I say he's leading people to hell. But anyway, he's still my brother. Still my brother in the Lord. Well, I thought I would do this video to offer a sincere apology. From the bottom of my heart, I've been broken, in tears. I've been sleepless nights, lonely nights. I've been struggling to eat, sleep, can't eat without you, sleep without you. You know, I've been going through all of that. And I'd like to say, I'm sorry, Miss Minor. I am for real. Never meant to make your subscribers cry. Something like that. I apologize a trillion times. Anyways, I'm so brokenhearted. I'm sorry. But the real issue is, if Corey Minor would have never came out against me, if he'd have never started defending rapists, pedophiles, and child molesters like John MacArthur, even though John MacArthur never actually did those things, and there's only one person that was accused of that in his church, but John MacArthur has been doing that for 40 years. See, that's the real problem. If Corey Minor is not a Christian. I'm going to keep calling him Brother Corey Minor, and then I'm going to cast doubts and aspersions on his conversion, but that's my brother. You know why? Because I'm Saiko Woods, and I'm going to take it deep in the woods today. Now that the apology is over, I'm going to spend the rest of the hour and a half attacking my so-called brother, Corey Minor, because I'm really sorry. And everybody knows if you're sorry, you apologize real quick, and then you spend the rest of the hours attacking the person you apologizing to. Now that sounds like a real humble apology from the Saiko Woods. The Branch Woodians gonna take it deep in the woods. See, we gonna show you how to get biblical. See, the problem is y'all been listening to these soft men. See, soft men, these beta eggshell walking white men, these that y'all listening to, right? These puppy pea men, weakest puppy pea men, y'all listening to, flipping more than a dolphin in the water, man, y'all listening to, they want to get soft and nice. And they want to keep their apology about what they did. But everybody knows when you apologize, you attack the person more than the actual statements of your apology. That's biblical. Right? I mean, I'm going to give you a parable that's not about that point. And I'm going to show y'all that, right? That's how I do, because I'm Saiko Woods. Now, you know, I know I said I apologize, but in the words of Luther Vandross, I really didn't mean it. Out of my head to say the things I said, I didn't mean a word. Luther was a great theologian, because he agreed with me, because y'all know how I do. I'm Saiko Woods. Now, in my apology, I said I said that Corey Minor never told me, or I didn't know about his conversion. I said I didn't know about his prison record, but I'm going to play this clip that show you I actually did know about that, but I'm going to just say I forgot. You know, that's a pretty hard, I know you might be asking yourself, that's a pretty big thing to say you forgot about. I mean, somebody's prison record, that he just told you really last year, you forgot about, but you remember all the specific minor details about J-Mac. That don't make sense. Well, I know it don't make sense, but I'm Saiko Woods. And if I say I forgot. And if I forget, I can't be held liable to my slander and lies, cause I'm Saiko Woods. I went deep in the woods and I forgot about something I really knew about. And you might be asking yourself, If I can forget about something that big and make a big blunder mistake, what else What else could I be wrong about? But don't ask that question because you in the woods. And if you ask questions about the Branch Woods and Saiko Woods, I'ma take you to the woods, in the deep woods, and you ain't gonna never come out. Because that's how I do my cult members. Now, unrelated to this apology video, I gotta attack other people. I mean, because that's really shows a sincere apology, right? Not only do you apologize and attack the person, right, that the video's about, it kind of sounds like clickbait, but you attack other people. John MacArthur, right? Ricky Caldwell, Ricky Gantz, TGOT. Because that's what a real apology is about. Not only let me show y'all how to apologize. Step one, you get your alligator tears on and you spend the briefest amount of time, as quick as it takes, to apologize to that person. You do it real quick. And then immediately after that, you bring up where they sinned. Right? Because everybody knows when you apologize, you say it real quick, and then you drag them under the bus so people don't start asking questions, right? I can't have y'all asking questions about me, because if y'all start to doubt me, then my full-time job will be in jeopardy, right? I say I don't have nothing to gain or to lose, but in actuality, I lose my job. So but remember, send it to PayPal, Cash App. Please don't send it to YouTube, because I need my money, and if I don't get my money, Sharon gonna start looking at me funny, and I don't want that, right? We knows I needs my job. Now, I know a lot of things have been going on in the body, but one thing I want y'all to know is, on why y'all can't question me is because where would y'all be without me, right? I mean, think about that. Where would y'all be without me, right? I mean, I've helped y'all with y'all relationships. Some of y'all have come to me in private and counseled me. So if I ever help you out in any way, matter of fact, and by help, I mean if you've ever watched one of my videos for more than 10 seconds, that means I've helped you. And so if I've helped you, you can't cut off the hand that's feeding you. Because if you cut off the hand that's feeding you, I'm going to slap you with the other hand. Because I'm Saiko Woods. I'm Saiko Woods. And I talk about abuse victims. But if you really listen to most of my shows, I'm really verbally abusive, right? Anybody question me, I see the comment, Born Again Sinner. Born Again Sinner says, you're wrong about Corey Minor. And, you don't know what you're talking about the prison records, your facts. Cam up. It's a Saiko Woods show. You can't come on my channel. Can another man tell you what to do with their channel? Now, I'm going to tell y'all what y'all need to do. Y'all don't need to be listening to this person. Y'all need to be making more content about this. Jason Whitlock needs to bring me on because if we're part of the body, let me keep it 100 with y'all. Can I talk with y'all Detroit real quick? Can I talk to you in Detroit? Let me keep it real because I'm Saiko Woods, right? If you're eating, then I gotta eat, right? Because if I don't eat, I'm going to be homeless. I need to eat. I'm a $1.10 right now, so I need to eat. You know what I find real strange? Jason Whitlock didn't invite me on his show, but he invited John MacArthur. I mean, can you believe that? He would invite a man. He would invite a pastor over 50 years who been preaching the Bible versus me, who been slandering the brethren for about 20 years. Can you believe Whitlock? I mean, he invited a man of character and dignity versus me, a man with no character, and I just want to ask y'all that question. Can y'all believe that? See, and that's what I do a lot. I ask questions that, lead the witness, like this. For example, I'll play a clip, and I'll say, I'll play a clip about Corey Minor, and then I'll ask you, the listener, now, doesn't that seem strange? So I'm actually leading you to think that it sounds strange. Because if you don't say it sounds strange, I'm going to take you deep in the woods. Because I'm Saiko Woods. And if you go deep in the woods, there's some people deep in the woods like Pervert 17. Dan Brown, they ain't going to never come out. Because I got them tied around a tree in the woods. Now, anyways, moving topics, but not really. Staying on the same topic. Corey Minor and J Mac and the mob. Y'all need to unsubscribe to these channels because they don't care about you. All they care about is likes, views, and subscribers. You know, because they would be nothing without me. Now, I mean, I know every last one of them's channel has grown since they cut off the toxicity. But don't mind the evidence. Matter of fact, you need to ask yourself, why would these people keep making videos about me? I'm going to keep saying it loud and proud, even though, you know, matter of fact, I said it yesterday. I'm going to keep saying it loud and proud. Nobody's going to actually challenge me and say, is this really true? And click on the mob's pages and say, wait a minute, Saiko's lying. Because I got them in the woods. The Branch Woodians. Because I'm Saiko Woods. And I keep saying that to remind you I'm Pastor Saiko Woods. Now, we're going to close out of this 2-hour slander session, but make sure you become a body strifer. A body strifer is those who cause strife in the body. Now, if you want to be in that body causing strife, then sign up for Cash App, PayPal. Please don't do the YouTube because I need some money today. God bless.